So hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Lemme chill gummies. So this is a gummy which is used for de-stress, or you can say like if you have any kind of issue related to stress and related to mind related issues, so this is the gummy. Okay, so is this really worthy, or you should buy this product or not? So in this video we will cover lots of information and what are the precautions you should take while using this product and while purchasing this product. Okay, so basically the benefits, you can see the benefits of this product is like you can say reduce stress and help you feel more relaxed, and it will support your healthy cholesterol, you can say like stress hormones level. Okay, and it will also reduce your food cravings which is generated by stress. Okay, and as you know, when your stress is increased, you will face lots of issues related to your mind, related to your body, and related to your stomach, related to your digestive order. So there are lots of issues if you have stress level is high. So if we talk about this product, basically this brand Lemme Gummies is a very popular brand, and this brand is you can say like very popular in today's time, and they have like different kinds of product available. So there is no issue, like 100% this brand is legit. Okay, and if we talk about this product, basically I want to tell you this product will work, but it will take some time. It will not give you instant results, it will take some time, approx like you can say 12 weeks, or you can say at least 6 weeks. Minimum time period should be like 6 weeks, and after 6 weeks you will see lots of change. And when you use this product in after 2 weeks, you will notice you can say like little bit changes in your body. Okay, so if we talk about like you should go with this product or not, yes, you can go, there is no issue. It will help your body and it will increase your energy level as well. But the thing you need to keep in your mind, that is like you can say you don't need to take any kind of subscription, otherwise you have to pay some fees every month. Okay, if you want your product or not, then you have to pay some kind of money. Okay, in terms of subscription. So better thing is like you should purchase this product only for one time, and if you feel any changes in your body, then you can buy another for one time. So this is the information. Okay, so if you have any issues, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And if you have any experience with this product, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments is a real review. And you can see this is the nutrition information of this product, like lemon balm extract and all. So these nutrition information is also provided on this area. So you can see these all are very good. Okay, and ashwagandha, as you know, ashwagandha is a very popular herb which is used for stress. Okay, and it will increase your testosterone also, and it will increase your, you can say like overall health also. So my dear friends, this is a video. If you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.